I got this plate for my kitten to be. You can. Assalamu alaikum. Hi guys, welcome back to another video. If you're watching me for the first time, please consider to subscribe, turn on your post notification to get notified whenever I post new videos. So here I'm back again with another food haul. Okay, so I hope you are ready for it. Stay tuned and keep watching.
This is one bag, another bag, another bag, another bag, and then bag.
Okay, so let me bring it out and show you one by one. Assalamu alaikum. Quick message, guys. Dua to reside in your home to protect your home from jinn or evil or any bad things. Number one, I came across it from a Islamic blogger that I normally follow on Facebook online, but the Rasat is the name. Okay, so number one thing is that when you're entering your home, try to say Salamu Alaikum. And then number two, he said try to be calling Adan in your home, either your apartment or wherever you are living, sha. So number three, try to be listening to Surah Al-Baqarah, which I've already mentioned that too in one of my vlogs. It's so good in any way. So I said it's good to be reciting it. If not, if you can't, try to get some clips, video, watch, or you can watch it on YouTube and then just let it play in your home and be listening and all that. And the fourth one is try to be reciting Ayatul Kursi. That's all I said, and I wish to pass it through you guys. I wish to pass it to you guys because it's very useful. Yeah, this is my channel. I'm trying to, should I say, promoting Islam and inspire you guys. Islam is peace and is very, very simple. Thank you so much. Please watch this video to the end, and then I will see you in my next upload. Take care and stay blessed. Assalamu alaikum. Firstly, guys, alhamdulillah, I'm so excited about this. Okay, inshallah I'll be adopting a kitten very soon, inshallah. So today I went to the pet shop to get the pet or kitten few things which will be needed as beginning. Okay, so I got in this latest box. That's for the toilet, for the pee and poo. Okay, this is it. And then I got some food, affordable ones, guys. This is to inspire you in case this is a toy for to play with. And then the food, okay, and some wet food. Okay, and this is the strainer or sieve to clean the toilet. And then I got the neck chain. As you can see, you can guess the gender of the pet, right? So let's dive into the food haul. Okay, so welcome back, guys. I've set everything on the table here so that it can be easy for me to be showing you guys. So firstly, I got this powder milk. Okay, some chicken. It's full chicken, and then I tell them to cut it for me. Okay, and I got some tilapia. Okay, fresh tilapia fish also already clean and then cut. Okay, yeah, this is fresh laban from cow milk. Okay, and then another orange juice. I got some cardamom, and then potatoes, guys, and sweet potatoes. This is sweet potatoes, and this is marrow. I think the English name is marrow. They have people call it kusa. From where I got to know it, where I got to start eating it, and I fell in love with it. So this is it, and I think I've used it for one of my vegetable soup on my channel here. Okay, it's so yummy. Okay, and very healthy. And this is fresh tomatoes, fresh green pepper, chili pepper. Got some oats. I got some sliced bread. Got some tea, powder tea, which is Lipton. Everyone knows it as Lipton. Is the powder one, not in the bag. Okay, I got some subhanallah, which I'm going to return. I wanted baking flour, not corn flour. Okay, I got some plastic container to store the protein in the freezer. Yeah, it's reusable. It's, I think, is better than the Ziploc bag that will be disposed immediately. So that's why I got this. And then I got this, my kitten to be. I got this dish, this plate for her. Okay, like 4-in-1, which I love so much. It will be easy for me. I can just put the dry food, wet food, ice cream, strawberry and chocolate, some grapes. Okay, grapes. What else? I got banana. Okay, I got 2 types. This I'll be using it very soon, maybe tomorrow inshallah. This can stay for some days. And then I got 1 mango. I got some apples. What else? Egg. Some eggs. I got some plantain. Okay, yeah, and I got some plums. Some 2 ice creams, biscuit ice creams, guys.